episode is brought to you by Bank of the James.
Counting money.
Counting money is an important life skill, but it takes a lot of practice. I've been saving my money for a long time in my piggy bank. Let's count it together. Look at how much money I have. I have so much money. Ooh, there's two different colors here. There's like this pinky color called copper. Let's put all those together. These ones are the pennies. And then there's these silver colored ones. Ooh, and there's 3 different sizes in these silver colored ones. There's a lot of these copper colors. Look at all those cool pennies. Hey there, Lincoln. We got President Lincoln on the penny and Thomas Jefferson on the nickel, Franklin D. Roosevelt on the dime, and George Washington, our nation's first president, on the quarter. That's super neat. Wow, we've got lots of pennies. It actually looks like we have almost the same amount of pennies as we do all the silver colored coins. Perfect. We've got our pennies all together over here, and wait a second. We've got our quarters, nickels, and dimes all lumped together, but those are 3 different types of coins. So let's separate those out. Put all of our dimes right there. Those are the teeniest silver coin. Our nickels right here. Those are the middle-sized coin, and our quarters can go over there. All these Thomas Jeffersons can have a little hangout together. And we got a gaggle of Franklins in the middle. Oh, that's a George Washington. He belongs with all the other quarters. Okay, so 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. 1 dime is worth 10 cents. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. Now, to get to 1 whole dollar, we need 100 cents. So let's see how many quarters it takes to get to 100. So we've got 1 quarter, which is 25 cents, plus another 25 cents is 50 cents, plus 25 cents is 75 cents, plus 25 is 100 cents. So it takes 4 quarters to get to 1 whole dollar. I've got a whole bunch of quarters here though, so let's see how many dollars I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have $6 in quarters? That's amazing! I can buy so many things with those $6. Now let's count the dimes. Since 1 dime is worth 10 cents, we need 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 10 is 40, plus 10 is 50, plus 10 is 60, plus 10 is 70, plus 10 is 80, plus 10 is 90, plus 10 is 100. It takes 10 dimes to make 1 whole dollar. And I've got a few more dimes here. So I've got 1, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I've got $2 in dimes, plus $6 in quarters is $8 so far. I cannot believe it. Next is the nickels. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. So let's figure out how many nickels it's gonna take to get to 1 whole dollar. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40, plus 5 is 45, plus 5 is 50, plus 5 is 55, plus 5 is 60, plus 5 is 65, plus 5 is 70, plus 5 is 75, plus 5 is 80, plus 5 is 85, plus 5 is 90, plus 5 is 95, plus 5 is 100! Woohoo! We've got a whole bunch of nickels to get to 100. It takes 20 nickels to get to 1 whole dollar. Now I've got $9. The only thing we have left to count is the pennies. And since 1 penny is worth 1 cent, that's gonna take a lot to get to 100. Let's count them in stacks of 10. Cue the music. Now that all my pennies are in stacks of 10, let's count how many stacks there are to see if we have a whole dollar. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! I got a whole dollar in pennies! How much money do I have in front of me? I've got $6 in quarters, plus $2 in dimes, that's $8, plus $1 in nickels, that's $9, plus 1 whole dollar in pennies, that's $10. I could buy so many amazing things, like construction paper. I could make some really neat arts and crafts, or jumbo crayons and color some incredible pictures. Or I could buy a gigantic bouncy ball. Or I could save it and buy something later. It's super fun counting money, saving money, spending money, or giving it away. But let's always remember, there's so many more important things in life than money.